Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain amad. Okay, so today I want presentation Pecah Kucai. Under the title is Kacar. Okay, before that I want to introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Jihad Ramadan. You can call me Jihad. I'm from TNI Cafe. Okay. The first is I will explain about the philosophy of Qatar flag. Okay, Qatar flag is maroon with a shaded with white band. The maroon symbolizes blood shed in wars, and the white stand for peace. The nine secretion represent Qatar as the ninth member of the reconciled Emirates after the 1916 treaty. Okay. The next is system of government. In Qatar, system government is an absolute monarchy led by the emir. The current emir is Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani. There are no political parties, and the emir holds significant power over all branches of government. Okay, the next is culture. In Qatar, culture is deeply influenced by Islamic and Arab tradition. Practices like falconry, hospitality, or majlis, poetry, and Islamic calligraphy are core cultural element. Okay, the next is currency. The official currency is the Qatar Rial or QAR. Satu rial, one rial, same like 100 dirham.
How many rupiah? How much?
One real, maybe I forgot. Okay. The next is education system in Qatar. Education is free for citizen. Qatar hosts education city, a hub for international university brands like Georgetown and Carnegie Mellon.
Yeah, you can explain. So in Qatar, education is all free, yeah?
Okay, in Qatar, the education is all free.
Free from TK until.
From TK until
What is TK?
TK is like you
Kindergarten.
yeah kids garden
Yeah.
until you in Indonesia until you graduation SMK inter college. Okay, the next is language. In Qatar, the official language is Arabic. English is widely spoken in business, education, and tourism sector. Okay, the next is landmark. In Qatar, famous landmark include the Museum of Islamic Art and Kachara Cultural Village, which blend modern design with traditional Arab architecture. Okay, the next is tourist place. There is a popular site in Qatar like Souq Waqif or traditional market, and then the Pearl Qatar or luxury artificial island, and then Khor Al Adaid or island sea for desert adventure and animal.
What about this?
This I forgot,
Okay.
but I search in Ansplash. Okay. The next is history of the country. Qatar was part of the Ottoman Empire that British protectorate until its independence in 1971. Since then, it has grown multi from oil and natural gas.
Sejak to
Since.
Kamu bacanya tadi science.
Since. Okay. The next is religion. In Qatar, Islam is the state religion. Most Qataris are Sunni Muslim. Okay.
The opposite of Sunni?
Syiah.
Yeah.
Syiah.
Iya, Syiah and Sunni. Sunni, what is Syiah?
Syiah is like sesat.
Yes,
Straight. Okay, the
Yeah,
next.
I mean, Syiah worship who?
Sipu. Abu Bakar, like Ali.
Ali.
Yeah.
And then they change the Shahada.
Yes.
Shahada.
Okay, the next is capital city in Qatar. The capital city is Doha. The political, economic, and cultural center of Qatar. Okay, this is Doha in Qatar. Okay, the next is resident. Qatar has about 3 million people, but only around 10 until 15% are Qatari citizen. The rest are foreign workers from India, Nepal, the Philippines, Egypt, and more.
Ini yang 10 until 15%
Only
the real Qatar.
Yeah, the real Qatar. Yes.
So ini little.
Yes. Okay, the next is geography. In Qatar, the geography located in the Middle East. Qatar is a small peninsula jutting into the Persian Gulf. It's mostly desert and flat terrain. Okay, the next is special food. Special food in Qatar is there is traditional dishes include like matchbox or spicy rice with meat, and then haris or wheat with meat, and then margok, vegetable and meat stew, and dates and Arabic tea are also popular. Okay, the next is unique regulation or culture shock. Okay, the first is Qatar modern dress is required in public, and then number 2 is public affection like kissing is not allowed, and then number 3 is alcohol is restricted to licensed place, and then the next is homosexuality is illegal.
Yeah, of course. Islamic country.
Yes. National emblem features two crossword, boat and palm trees, symbolizing Qatar maritime history and heritage. Okay. The next is the richest man. The richest man is the royal Al Thani family is the wealthiest. The Emir Sheikh Tamim control vast wealth through Qatar Investment Authority or QIA. Okay. The next is famous actor or actress. Qatar is famous for international actors. However, Wadah Khanfar, former head Al Jazeera, is a notable media figure. Okay, the next is military or defense system. In Qatar has a small but advanced military. It hosts Al-Adad Air Base, one of the largest U.S. military base in the Middle East. Yes. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.